Hello everyone. So as we know that we are solving top 50 array questions of Geek for Geeks. So today we are going to solve this question: find the union and intersection of two sorted array. So this is the question. Okay. So in this question, what we are being told. So let's read the question first. Okay. Given two sorted array, given two array not sorted, A and B, size n and m respectively. The task is to find the number of elements in the union between these two arrays. Union of two array can be defined as set containing distinct element from both the arrays. If there are a repetition, there only one occurrence of element should be printed in the union. Okay, so what this question is telling. So let's just find out. Okay, so let's just find out what this question is telling. So we will have two array. Okay, so one array is like this: 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, and the second array is going to something like this: 1 2 and 3. Okay, so we have to find the union of these two array. Okay, and what we have to give into the output, we in the output we have to give the length of the union of this array. Okay, so the length of the first is n, which is 5, and the length of second is m, which is 3. Okay, so we have to find the first of all we have to find the union. So what will be the union of these two arrays? So the union of these two array is going to be one and one. One is also here. Okay, one is also here, but the in the union of these two array, one is going to be only one time. Okay, so one is going to be only one time. Okay, two is also here and two is also here, but in the union two is going to be only one time. So like this, three is also here and three is also here, but in the union three is going to be only one time. So three, four is here, so four is going to be in the union, and five is here, so five is going to be in the union. So this is the union of the these two array. And what is the length of this? And the length of this is 5. Okay, so we have to find the union first. Okay, or we have to find the length. Okay, so one thing which we can notice that we are taking only one time, like one is two times in both the array. Okay, but we are taking considering it only one time. So there is a data structure which is called hash set or set hash set. So this data structure, what this data structure do, if you will give two, like multiple times you are giving two into this hash set, then this hash set will not save two four times. This hash set will save the two only one time. So this is how this structure works. So what we are going to do, we are going to save all the input array, both the input array into the hash set, and after that we are going to return the size of that hash set. So this is the easiest way to solve this question. Okay, so let me show you this: 1 2 3 4 5. This is the array which we will be given: 1 2 3. This is the second array which will be given. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to save all this the first array into the hash set. Okay, so we have hash set. So we are going to save the uh, first first array into our hash set. So we are going to run a loop. Okay, so one at, this is at 1, so 1 will be saved into the hash set. Okay, this is at 2, so 2 will be saved into the hash set. This is at 3, so 3 will be saved into the hash set. Okay, next iteration we will be at 4, so 4 will be saved into the hash set. Okay, and in the next iteration we will be at 5, so 5 will be saved into the hash set. Then what we are going to do, we are going to run another loop for the second array as well. We are going to save the second array into the hash set as well. So we will be at 1, but so but one is already available in hash set, so this is not going to save it one more time. Okay, we will be add to 2, so 2 is also available at in hash set, so again it will not save it another time. 3, it is also available in hash set, so it is not going to save this one more time. So after both the array is done, what we are going to do, we are going to give this return the size of the hash set, and the size of this hash set will be 5, and that is our answer. Okay, so this is how we can solve this question. Okay, so for example, let's just say okay, for the convenience, let's take the second let's take the second input as well. Okay, so let's try run the second run as well. Okay, so in second we have 85 25 1, we have 85 25 1, and we have 32 54 6, 32 54 and 6, and we have another array as well, so that array is 85 and 2, just 85 and 2. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to run a loop. Okay, we are going to run a loop here. Okay, so 85 will be saved into the hash set, so we are saving this into our hash set. So 85 will be into the our hash set. Okay, now the iteration will be at 25, so 25 will also be saved into the hash set. Okay, now it will come to the 1, so 1 is not available in hash set anywhere, so 1 is going to be saved into the hash set. Okay, we will be at 32, so 32 will be saved into the hash set. Okay, after that we will be at 54, so 54 also is going to be saved into the hash set. Okay, after that we will be at 6, so 6 is also going to be saved into the hash set. Okay, after this we are going to run a loop for the second array. So at the first iteration will be at 85, so so first of all it will check that 85 is 85 available into the hash set already. So yes, it is available into the hash set already, so it is not going to save this. Okay, after that we will be at 2, so it will check that is 2 already available into the hash set. So no, it is not available in hash set anywhere, so it is going to save 2 into this. Okay, now after that we are what we are going to return, we are going to return the size of this hash set. So what is the size of this? So the size of this, we can see that it is 7. So is it 7 the answer? Let's see. So yeah, we can see that the output is 7. So this is how we are going to solve this. Okay, so let's just write the code. Okay, so first of all we have to create a hash set. So let's just create a hash set of integer. I'm going to name this map. You can name this anything. Okay, after that we are going to run a loop for the first array. And in the first array we are going to save everything into our map. So map dot add a I. Okay, after that we are we are going to do, we are going to run a second loop, another loop for our second array. Okay, and here again we are going to save everything into our map or hash it, we can say. So Hasset will take care of all the duplicate numbers automatically. Okay, so we don't have to do anything. So we all we can do just return the size of it. That's it. Let's compile this code. Let's see that if it is working or not. So you can see that our output is correct. Okay, our basic test cases are getting passed. So let's just see that if it is getting submitted or not. So we have submitted this code, and we have cleared this. Okay, so this is how we can solve this question. So uh, next time we are going to solve another questions. Okay, so we are going to solve this question. Write a program to cyclically rotate an array by one. Okay, so until then, thank you so much.